Oh, so sorry, Jack. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I cannot with these intros. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Oh. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thanks so much for stopping by and watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I've noticed a lot of people are watching my videos, but no one is subscribing. So if you could subscribe to my channel, it really helps me out. I would really appreciate it. And for my lovely returning subscribers, thank you again for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. And so does Jack. Isn't that right, bud? Today's video is not a sewing video, and I guess it's technically a DIY video, but I did get a video request from one of my friends. The video is how to remove fuzz balls, or AKA peeling, from clothing. And I have a couple of shirts and probably more in my closet than I need to do this to. And they are just, they're so worn out. This one especially looks really bad. As you can tell, it's peeling really bad. There's all these just little fuzz balls all over it, and it just really takes away from the beauty of the shirt. I think it might be a little dress, but I am going to use this for a project in the future. And I picked it up at Goodwill, and I was like, there's got to be a way to remove these things because it's really taking away from the picture. And so I started doing some research, and I found 3 different methods that I'm gonna try out in this video. I know you can buy a lint shaver for these things, but I wanted to try these other methods because I have these things at home and it's free for me. So actually I did buy one item, it was only $1, and I'll show you guys what that is in a minute, but it's not costly at all. The other shirt I have is this, and I'm gonna use it for a project as well. And you can just see it's got the little fuzz balls everywhere, and it's just not pretty. I have 3 items here that I'm going to use to remove the fuzz balls. I will show you guys these items, and then we're gonna see which method works the best. Let's get right into the video. I bought this sanding sponge at Dollar Tree, and I heard on Pinterest that this works. We're gonna try this first and see if it does. Wow, you guys, this method actually does really work. I mean, it's improving so much. You can tell the difference already. And see, like, here's the part I haven't done and the part that has been done. So there's definitely a difference. So I do think that method 1 does work. The second item I have is a razor, and I've heard a lot of people do this. I was reading about it a lot on Pinterest, so we're gonna see if this method works. I can already tell that this method is really working. It's so much easier too than the sand sponge, and I can really see an improvement. And I think it's safe to use. You just have to be super careful. You can see where it's peeling and all those fuzz balls are coming off, so it does work. So yes, method 2 works. The third method is a tiny comb, and you can get these at the dollar store as well. We're gonna see if this works. I don't know if my comb is just not small enough, but this for some reason is not working for me, and it may require a little more patience, but I just don't have that. So I don't think this method really works that well. I'm sure it could work if you really forced it to, but I'm not seeing much of a difference. So this method does not work. I wanted to see if these work on this other shirt that I got, and it's very similar to the same material, but It's not exactly the same. I think it's a little bit different. So I want to see if it works the same. The sand sponge really works. I really like this method actually, and it's so much easier. You could see it coming off on the sand sponge. Let's try the razor on it. Yeah, the razor works on this as well. Let's try the comb on it and see if it works better on this type of material, even though it's very similar. Yeah, it's just still not working, you guys. I don't know. Maybe it's not the right comb. It may not be small enough. So here are my thoughts on the 3 methods, which you guys already sort of heard, but I prefer the sand sponge method because it worked the best and it was the quickest for me. I just saw such a big improvement on these shirts, and you can see from the back, like, just the difference than when you go to the front. And I still have to do a little bit more on it. I'm not completely done with it yet, so I'm gonna mess around with it a little bit more. And this other top was so bad. Not completely done with this one either, but you can totally see the difference than from the beginning of the video. And even just looking at the back, how bad it is compared to the front. Even like looking at the sleeves and then the front of it where I did it, such a big difference, and I just can't believe it. I mean, for $1, guys, go to Dollar Tree and get this. So worth it. You don't have to spend $10 or whatever on a lint shaver. I mean, I'm just saying, if you want to save $9, like, yeah, this is awesome. I cannot believe this. And I read about it. I was like, I don't think that's gonna work. You know, it doesn't seem very practical to me, but it did. So I am just amazed at the results. I mean, it's just, and it's so quick. It doesn't take a lot of time to do it when you use one of these. I mean, look at all the stuff that came off. Yuck. Well, anyways, that is all that I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought about it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Let me know if you guys have tried this before. Have you tried all these methods? Which method worked great for you? I hope this video is super helpful, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video.